Welcome to this edition of Motivation Monday. It's Monday, and if you are not feeling motivated, let me encourage you this week to embrace laughter. I mean, quite literally, one of the ways that I get motivated and that we as a team here get motivated is actually to have some time out and then spend some time either on something like TikTok or on YouTube, and we'll go and find some funny clips. We'll watch those and we'll just have a laugh together. When you are working hard, when there is lots of pressure on, when all you feel like you're doing every single day is just work, focus, stress, and all of that stuff that just builds up and builds up, one of the best releases that you can do either individually or as a team is to just spend some time having a laugh. That could be banter in your office space where you can have a joke or whatever that might look like, or it could be like we do where we spend some time watching some of the Monty Python clips, etc. What we're going to do in this video is we're actually going to give you a whole list of funny clips that you can go ahead and check out as a team on YouTube and just get lost just for a few minutes in laughter, either on your own or as a team, just to help you cheer up. Laughter releases those endorphins. I'm making this bit up now, right? You know, I've no idea. But apparently, laughter releases stuff. It's good for you. It makes you feel better. It can encourage you. It can build you up, as opposed to just constantly being stuck in that grind. So I encourage you, go ahead, spend some time each day, if you can, just having a laugh. And hey, see what happens. All right, don't forget, we have What's Up Wednesday, that's coming up in a couple of days, and we also have Frank Friday, where we talk serious about some particular subject and get all controversial. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those, then please hit that subscribe button. If you appreciate this video, give us a like so that we know. If you don't, always give us a dislike as well so that we know. We can change. I'm good with that. And also hit us up in the comments below. What videos online make you laugh like crazy? And also, if you have any jokes, let us know as well in the comments below, because we want to have a laugh. All right, don't forget, embrace laughter in your agency. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next episode.